Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1 and use yellow color. O and E1. The numbers of 1. It's again use yellow color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. It's night 3. The numbers of 3. And use blue color. Blue color. T, H, R, W, 3. It's again use blue color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F, O, U are 4. It's night 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S, I, X, 6. Kids night 7. The numbers of 7. And use the brown color. Brown color. S, E, V, E, and 7. Kids again use the brown color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. It's night 9. The numbers of 9. And use red color. Red color. N, I, N, E, 9. Kids again use red color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E, and 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids night 13. The numbers of 13. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use blue color and lastly draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, today you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.